In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your Toshiba computer, laptop, or tablet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select text size. And where it says text size down below, you can just drag it to the right to adjust it to be larger. Select apply to confirm those settings, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.